Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Finally, 30 days of patience, and today was the day. We hit all our upside targets laid out since January 14th, starting with 95,000, then 96,000, 99,500, 100,200, 101,500, and now 103,500. This puts my December 19th long positions into massive profits. My 1 hour long wave strategy flashed an exit signal around 104,400. With my entry at 102,000, I placed conditional take profit orders at 104,700 and 105,000, all of which executed during the downturn. Remember, taking profits is essential. And since I trade inverse contracts, my profits are paid in Bitcoin, not USD, which is a big deal for me. With all my longs now closed, I'm shifting gears and looking for lower time frame entries using the long wave strategy. The environment is much safer above 100,000, so we can turn up the risk slightly. The broader markets also had a strong day. The SPX gained over 1%, the NDQ climbed by 1.66%, while gold dipped by 0.43%, and the DXY rose 0.41%. Bitcoin ETF inflows were solid on Thursday, January 16th, with a total inflow of $626.1 million. BlackRock led the charge with $527.9 million, followed by ARK Invest with $155.4 million. Interestingly, Grayscale saw a $70 million outflow after posting a $50 million inflow the day before. As of recording, today's inflow data isn't out yet, but we're expecting at least another 500 million. Elon Musk also made headlines today with another Bitcoin tweet. This time he took a jab at Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen. On January 17, Musk humorously reacted to news of a cyber attack on the US Treasury, saying, "Maybe she clicked on the send me 1 BTC, I send you 2 BTC email." While it was a lighthearted comment, it highlighted a serious breach, reportedly linked to a supply chain attack on Beyond Trust, a cybersecurity firm. Musk and Yellen have a history of sparring. Remember, Musk once suggested Warren Buffett would be a better Treasury Secretary, while Yellen has questioned some of Musk's business decisions, including his acquisition of X. Oh, and let's not forget, SpaceX still holds over 8,285 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $851 million. Now back to the charts. The 2-week liquidation heat map shows a concerning leverage pocket around 96,000. Could we retest it? Sure. Is it likely? In my opinion, no. With the current momentum and a pro-crypto leader coming in terms soon, if you know you know, I believe Bitcoin could soon smash its previous all-time high of 108,000, set on December 17th. From there, we'll enter price discovery mode and the sky's the limit. I'll be keeping a close eye on the charts and will update you as soon as I spot my next entry. For now, let's sit back and enjoy the profits. This trade took 30 days to close, and there were plenty of moments when it was deep underwater. But patience always pays off in the end. If you want real-time updates on my entries, thoughts, and exits, join the Discord. And if you found value in this video, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.